Hi, so we have made it halfway through, at least time-wise, our course, 3 weeks, and we're getting ready for that midterm exam, which will be halfway through the content. Remember, the midterm exam is proctored, so it must be taken at the testing center by the close of business on Tuesday. In your learning contract, you specified what location you wanted to take your test at, so that's where your instructions have been sent. They have a list of all the students. If there's a problem, you want to switch that up, just let me know ASAP so I can get that straightened out with the testing center. The midterm is not supposed to be a surprise. None of the content is. The material is taken from our previous chapter tests that we've done, and I've also provided you and required that you complete a midterm review homework assignment. It is lengthy. There are no helps included in it because my goal is to make it as much like a practice test as I can without making it that stressful. So there are no helps involved for the midterm review. But if you go back and look at your previous chapter tests or homework, you will find problems just like that to help you. The thing is, you want to get to the point where you can look at most of the problems anyway and know how to get started and what to do in that problem. As you're working through the review, be sure you're writing out all your steps because that hard copy of written work must be turned in at the testing center in order for you to get full credit for that assignment. The midterm exam itself, I want you to write out the work as well and submit that when you complete it. So I can review that and see, oh, you had a sign error, you had an addition error, or you got halfway through and then kind of got lost. There might be some partial credit I can give you in those cases. So be sure you're showing me as much as possible. I think that's it. After you take that midterm exam, your next thing is chapter 4. I will warn you that I've taken out a lot of the detail in that, so please be sure you're watching the videos, looking through the lecture notes that are in Canvas, not just going straight to the homework or going through the textbook. And that'll kind of help show you what you really have to focus on to get through chapter 4. If you have any questions, just let me know. Good luck on the midterm and have a happy 4th.